Eagle Street. Yeah, this should lead us to Oakhurst race. And then conference today. I want Savile Row, the home of exquisite suits. Oh, don't know, I think maybe I'm lost. Must be. How do I get it? Cheers and hugs. Yeah, you can get a feel of it. This is getting close to Savile Row, you see. Yeah, you want your suits, ties, jackets, menswear of quality. You should come here. Yeah, there it is, number 1 Savile Row. Here we go. See, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is your second answer to Jermyn Street. If you're looking for quality menswear, Boateng is there, and cost of others. There we go. Yeah, you can imagine the kind of theme: scissors and tapes. Number 5 Savile Row. If you want a custom made suit that nobody else has, you come here. This road is amazing for that. Yeah, almost every single shop. So yeah, I leave it up to you. I mean, someone says Jermyn Street is better, but they're all unique because Jermyn Street doesn't have the actual tailors measuring you up and sewing your suit for you. But here, you will find more than 2, 3, or 4 workshops where you will actually get measured, where you get a custom made suit made just for you. Okay guys, this is Savile Row. Actually, I think it's been somehow expanded. The road used to be narrow. I don't know what's happened. Take a skinner. You have other designers on the left, Davis and Son. Bathroom robes, Edward Sexton. Huntsman, very popular with the royal family. This guy. Okay, Savile Row. Cremax. Also, if you're getting married and you need suits to be made for the, what they call it, ushers, or I don't know, the guy that's coming to support you on your wedding day, you can't come and get some quality dinner jackets and yeah, so I don't know. I think that they're about the same. Yeah, also Boateng. There's a man with his Ghanaian roots. Yeah, big up my brother from Ghana. Yeah, that's him there. I remember I saw a documentary about how he started and it hasn't been easy for him. Yeah. He now has his own shop on Savile Row. Quality. Yeah, bathroom robes. You have Richard James. Also, they're doing sales. Yeah, so between Jermyn Street and Savile, I think they're about the same, but I think in terms of choices and quality, I think Jermyn Street just edged it. But there are things that you will find on Savile Row that Jermyn Street hasn't got also, such as custom made suits where it's you and your tailor measuring you up and sewing you and crafting you the best suits ever. So ladies and gents, this is the end of my Savile Row tour. Wow, I didn't know this building was there. What is it? Must be new. Look at the artwork. Oh, it's an office block. I thought it looks like a residential apartment. It's actually an office. Okay, so down with Savile Row. It's been a good experience. I know where to get some quality bathroom ropes. Should I ever need one again? I remember one time I was trying to get something for traveling. What's the name of this designer? Difficult to read. I can't make that up. Well, sorry guys. That's what it looks like anyway. Gabi Yanomoto. I don't know. You work it out. Yeah, it looks like something Japanese. Okay. That's me done with Savile Row. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.